trying to break every single rule. Little birdie Bob would be the stockbroker man and can't ever find a job that won't mess with the tan. I keep thinking that it's not goodbye, keep on thinking that it's time to fly. And this is how it feels.